Good morning. Today I'm going to be passing half an EVA, half a 100K. Um, and I'm trying to stack up so many fucking EVAs right now so I could make so much more money. I have one 50K and one 100K, but I want obviously the maximum of 5 XFAs that you could have so I could have, right? And the reason I'm going 100K is because I got the money now to afford more, and also because you have more drawdown and you could go in with hella more contracts, you know. So I think the max contracts on a 50K is five. That's 25. Yeah, that's five contracts. And with 100K I could double that, you know. So yeah. So outlook looks like we're going up, right? Might take this high, sweep this low maybe. Well, these lows, all these lows, still gonna mark that out too. Now, what is this candle? Okay, okay. Um, right, right. So I'm gonna see one of those get swept in order for me to go in a trade. Hmm. Maybe actually even this high right here. And let's see if it respects this 3 minute. We'll see, we'll see. Longing now does not seem like a bad idea though. Alright, looks like we inverse the 30 minute. Depending how we close here. Looking at trading view for me is like way better. It's like way more calm. All right, 9:30 open. Hmm. Okay. Now I'm gonna try this. I want to go break even here as soon as I can. I need a bigger push here. All right, break even. Now the reason I went break even there is because like the downtrend, and I was like actually like accidental as shit. But we'll see. Shorts don't look that bad right now. Really, really aggressive movement right now. Actually, if I was unfunded, like this would have been done for. Like no trade day for me right now. But we're gonna try this though. Okay, great push. Chichoma stop right there. This is kind of bad. Like I don't. I want to see a flush from here. All right, there you go. Break even. All right, let's see if it wants to go or it's gonna edge me. Damn, that's crazy. Yo, imagine. Nah, this can't be. Yo, no way. I just got edged like that. Damn. That actually fucking sucks. You know, either I blow this account or we're gonna hit take profit. So I think the maximum loss sum is 3,000, right? There's actually no way I just got edged like that though. Okay. Damn. No way. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. Yo, I might actually cry if like it doesn't flush right here like the next minute and I get edged like that. I'm actually gonna cry. There's no way. I don't understand. Like it did wick. There's no way. No. It did wick through though. Like, well, it was down here, but I guess Top Step doesn't count that then. I'm assuming. My goodness. I actually can't, bro. Okay. Nah, still. 12 ticks. Yeah, this definitely isn't low of day. There you go. Past half an eval. Um, I'm up 14,000 on my funded account. My fault. Um, W place to be honest. Also I passed half an eval yesterday too, so you see. TP actually would have been good here. But risk it for the biscuit, right? This is actually beautiful price action. Better than last time. Might reverse from this point, sweeping these lows, sell side. But again, risk it for the biscuit. Alright, looks like we're struggling to flush lower, so we might get a pullback here and then dump later on. Either that or okay, never mind. There's the flush. I'm gonna do this. Right now, I wanted to flush through here, and I'm gonna trail my stop here. That's what I'm looking at. Need to mark out the macro so I know when the pullback's gonna happen. So, okay, so hold on. Tomorrow, Friday, I also expect us to flush like this. Now, usually this happens like Thursday or Friday is when the biggest moves happen. That's because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if there's like news, we're like leaving all this liquidity right there. And then Thursday, flush, right? We flush, maybe pre-market from Friday, we go up and then we flush again. Think about the power of three, what I trade, right? We're trading against the actual move. So this is Monday through Wednesday. We're going up, leaving all this liquidity right there. And then Thursday we flush, we close like this. And then Friday we flush more. Damn. Are we gonna get Edge like the eval? Damn. Alright, you know what? Fuck it, I'm not gonna try my style. I'm just gonna let it. Damn. Sucks to see. Sucks to see. Why is it like this? I don't fucking know why. Okay, macro is gonna start in 1 minute. We're definitely gonna pull back. Definitely. Um, somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe here. Maybe here. Maybe here. Or we could flush. Hopefully, I see it flush. Cause this is ridiculous. It's crazy, bro. If I was on 100K account using the max positions, 17 plus 17, that's not really good at math. Uh, um, I would have been up like 30 some grand. I think so. All right, let's go. Flush, flush. Also, cause we rejected right there. I'm not putting my take profit like lower, because if we already rejected here, I don't expect it to like go lower, you know? Or like we could. It's kind of complicated to like. All right, let me explain this. So here, like this. Wait, actually, in this example, we already flushed. We're flushing. We're flushing. We're flushing, right? And right here, we get a big rejection, like a candle that rejects kind of big, right? Um, Now what could happen is we flush more, or we could sweep that low of the candle again, but like really, really little, or like couple of ticks, and then shoot up. But what I'm saying, yeah, fuck this. Damn. I don't expect this to be I really don't expect this to be low session, because you think people going long here? I definitely think people are going long there. You know, ICT traders. I mean, I trade ICT, but like the diehard meat riders ICT, like the ones that are like, oh shit, I can't wait until the macro starts. I'm like, time does have something to do with this, but like, you know, the ones that glaze him, the ones that take 1 to 3 RRs, 1 to 2 RRs, they're like, oh, let me go in here, go long from here, because we have IFVG. I'm probably their liquidity right now because market wants to be fucking gay. I'm gonna put a hammer here. Oh, we know they're probably longing off of here. Inversion fair value gap. Target of 101. Alright. Hopefully we just feel an inefficiency. So let's see what there is here. 5 minute. Damn. All the way up here in premium. $15. I'm just seeing that fair value gap right there. The 5 minute. Damn, this is what ES looks like? Holy. I should probably not do this, but I have a feeling we're gonna flush more. In case we get a news candle or something, I'm gonna put my TP right there. In case we get like some weird candle, like this one right here, weird candle. Until we get close to this, I'm gonna move my take profit lower. I think this is the move for the day, actually. No, it's still too early. It's like 10. I hit the gym yesterday for like the first time. My fucking legs are killing me. There's some zesty ass machines over there. I can't lie. I gotta spread my legs open. Felt like a fucking female. I was gonna get fucked. Let's go. Wait. No, go lower. Okay, back. So right. Damn. Alright. So this is what I'm talking about. We could either get stopped out or we could get flushed. Stopped out. That's alright. That's alright though. That's alright. I'm I'm happy with my trade. W day today, Asia session. I entered right around here, like market open. The only reason why I did that is because like how do I explain this? So my bias today, not gonna lie, was long, right? Now Asia session, again, think about the power of three, the candle, right? We're gonna trade the opposite of where the next bias is going to be. So I thought longs were gonna be the move today, right? So I wanted to take shorts Asia session, right? Now there's obviously some, like, if you're gonna scalp, then this should really don't matter to you. It doesn't matter, right? You could trade pullbacks, you could trade that, you could trade this and that, right? But for me, I like to have high RR and catch like the whole move of the day. So what I like to do is when the market opens, I want to see like a fake rejection, like long, right? So it goes long a little bit, so it creates like a small little wick, right? Something like this, maybe. Damn, I need it longer. And so we leave that wick, right? And then we start flushing like we did in Asia session, but Asia session we just consolidated, so I was kind of wrong. Uh, I didn't see my stop. I don't know if I had my stop loss like anywhere, right? So I guess I had no stop loss. I guess I was gonna blow this fucking account if I was wrong, right? But then so we just consolidated, right? And then coming into market, I was like, it's Thursday, right? So we might flush today and tomorrow. Tomorrow we might flush too. So what's it called? What happened? We got in here and we dumped. But yeah, think about the power of three. Consolidation, Where's consolidation here? Right here. We manipulated higher, took out these highs. And then what did we do? We flushed, right? Now, we probably tapped into a high time frame fair value gap too, right? Right here. Yep, right there. Midpoint. So again, my strategy is dead ass like so easy, so super like super easy to happen. So consolidation, manipulation, distribution into a high time frame fair value gap or a high time frame PD array like this, right? Um we could wick up here, but like still, right? But like this, like this, like this. This is what I like to see. High time frame fair value gap and consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Or we could do this, right? We sweep a high. But that's kind of more riskier because you don't know if there's another pullback and then pulls back up, right? To know is like if this is all like open, then we're good. But what happens if we do this? Like this is when it starts to get a little bit more trickier. If we, let's say here, if we sweep sell side from a discount, so like this, or we could even take out this. You know, then that's when I have like different biases, and it looks like this, and we just go up, something like that, something like that. Not crazy, not crazy. I'll go more into detail tomorrow. I'll see if I'll trade tomorrow. I mean, it's Friday. We might flush. So I'll be back tomorrow to explain more. But yeah, W day today. Passed half an eval today. Asia session. And up $23,000 on my Express account. So yeah, that's all for today. Hope you have a good one.